UMLA jong ka UDP bumi khmat ya ka amlarem constituency ba Lahkmen rimboy menta ka sngi haba shimbenta ka jingetai ya ka Ïakren lamprang jong ulara ikamat jong ki nongrep Synsar ki bla shakta na ka Hiar palat ka dor jong uniu marrem ula ong bau snem arpuwe ki nongrep ki la bandi khat saw hajar tingka shi kwintal kat bau snem arja arpulai arpusaw ka dor ka long tang hapreng san pat hinyo hajar tingka shi kwintal ula ong maka sarkar ka diban wat ki lat ban kentop ya ka dor u Synsar ha ka top ki marrem panyo jingkersha na ka MSP kan long ka jingmentoy ya ki nongrep Habakren halo ka jingkamnya ka nong ba shilong ula ong ba ka sarkar ka diban shim ki sinjam kumno ban pin kluj da ka ba pin bha pin yar bat pin mi nong ba rin hagi babun ki jaka kum hamau plang sorin kam smith bat kiwe Shushu ula ong ba ka sinjam ban pin yar ka new shilong ka day ka kam ka ba ka sarkar ka don hok banyo jingero ba ula ai jingmut ba ka sarkar ka diban shim kya bat wat lupai ki jaka thenyut na du menta kat batang kelut ke jaka.
I request honorable members Sri Lahkmen Rimbui to take the floor. Please stick to the time. 6 minutes I'm giving you.
Thank you. Mr. Speaker, sir, I'm very thankful to the governor for addressing the House, elucidated the policy of the government, and I'm very thankful to the people of the state that because of the support that the government is able to do so many things with the far-sighted and the able leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister. Sir, having said that, I would like to raise some issue concern the people of the state. Number one, agriculture. It is a very shocking to see in today's question which does not come, where the production of the brome in the state in 2021 is 70,308 metric ton. And in the year 2021, the rate is 14,000 per quintal. And look at the year 2023-24, 5,000, 7,000. That means in the year 2020-21, the farmer of the state, the brome farmer of the state, they are able to generate economy of 914 crore from brome only. And that economy, that income of the farmer, drastically come down to 450 crore last year. The loss of the farmer, of the brome farmer in the state is 450 crore in this last 1 year. How to help this farmer? The question is how to help them. They are the assets of the state. They generate the economy for the state. They earn the livelihood. So the time has come that the government should explore the possibility to have a minimum support price for the brome brome production in the state. Moreover, by tie up with TriFed, because TriFed, if I'm not mistaken, under the Vandhan Yojana, there is a program, a scheme, where the farmer, the government could fix the minimum support price. So I feel very sad with the loss of this farmer. I urge the government to look into the policy how to have that the farmer, the brome farmer of the state, have the stable income. And number two, and explore the possibility of value enhancing of this brome by setting up the processing center in Amlarem, in Penursla area, in Mausenram area, where the brome is, the people of that area, they cultivate their brome. So I urge the government to look into this issue. Number two, marketing of brome. Sir, I'm very thankful to Honorable Chief Minister and the Indian government that they brought brome as a horticulture, agriculture produce. But it's very sad to say that till today, under what rules that this council still collect tax on room, which I think the government should issue order to the Deputy Commissioner to stop this illegal collection of tax on broom by this council on the highway. Number two, sir, regarding the urban development, sir, I'm very thankful to the government that the way they develop the new Shillong, it will become a reality, because Shillong as a whole is become a choke city. We cannot do anything right now. I'm very thankful that they have taken about the road infrastructure and other infrastructure development. But one thing which we have to take note, sir, now is the time, that the waste management, sir. We have to acquire some land somewhere so that new urban city developed there, New Shillong, will not face the problem of waste management like we have here in Shillong. And number two, regarding developing of infrastructure, sir, we should look not only at developing of the New Shillong. Let us look at how to develop this Menlem Mauplang area, this Laikor Sorankam area, because so that this satellite township, if we could develop the Nongkrem, Smith, Sorankam area as one satellite township that side, and the Menlem, the Mauplang area, Maungap area as the other satellite township that area. So by developing infrastructure, so that people will not rush to Shillong, I think it will be more convenient for the government to develop the Shillong agglomeration. And one very important thing, I'm very glad that the government have constructed so many roads leading to New Shillong. One important road which we should look now is how from either Sorankam till Lat Nongkrem, where we can make a double lane road connecting the New Shillong with this Shillong Juai road, so that the people from Juai will need not come through Shillong to go to.
Members, kindly wind up.
No, sir, my meeting is not yet over, sir. Sir, number three, we look at the unemployment. Sir, I'm very glad that the government or the state government have taken initiative to.
Honorable member, please sit down.
I have 1 minute, sir.
3 o'clock now. You may continue your debate. And debate on Governor address on 21st February. You may continue. Since as there is no further business before the House for today, the House stands adjourned till 10 a.m. Tuesday and 20th February 2024.